Young children grow through movement. For toddlers, large muscle development is the foundation for all their future learning. That's why we designed the Toddler Climber, to provide a configurable, safe, and engaging way for children to develop these skills right here in the classroom. Every detail of the Toddler Climber is thoughtfully designed to support both children's development while keeping teachers' needs in mind. Let's take a closer look. The tunnel is a favorite for creeping and crawling with mirrors and peepholes that spark curiosity, peer-to-peer interaction, and allow easy supervision. Even after children begin walking, crawling through the tunnel continues to build cross-brain connections and strengthen eye tracking, skills that support all future learning. The bridge, designed with younger toddlers in mind, begins as a playful up and over crawling challenge. It then naturally encourages children to pull to stand and cruise hand over hand. Then there's the ramp, which allows children to explore new muscle groups and practicing those exciting first independent steps. The ramp offers a slightly steeper climb than the bridge, giving creepers an added challenge. For cruisers and walkers, it works different muscle groups, going up and coming down. And because the handrails end before the bottom, children are encouraged to take their last steps independently, an important walking milestone. The railings on several components give children steady support at every stage, from the first pull to stand, to cruising with both hands, and eventually walking with growing independence. The Toddler Climber platforms provide large muscle challenges and new perspectives for exploring the classroom. Their 4-inch, 8-inch, and 12-inch steps form a varied, stepped structure, letting children scoot, clamber, and walk at different heights, building balance, coordination, and confidence as they explore. The Toddler Climber has benefits for teachers too. You can easily access every surface, allowing you to offer support when needed. And with tool-free assembly, installation is quick, seamless, and hassle-free. To make things easier, we've organized the Toddler Climber into different sets. Some sets are geared towards specific developmental stages, while others are designed to fit your classroom space. While you can order complete sets, the Toddler Climber is also modular, making it possible to mix and match individual pieces to meet your children's needs now, and easily add new challenges as they grow. With the Toddler Climber, movement becomes learning. Every crawl, climb, and step builds confidence, coordination, and a sense of discovery, laying that foundation for lifelong growth.